Deputy Chief Minister and NPP leader Sniawbhalang Dhar has said that the NPP is ready at any time for the upcoming Khadc and Jhadc election. He said that the party has prepared well for the election. Downplaying the threats of VPP in polls, he said that every political party is a threat and every move of the party is decided after taking note of the preparation of the rival political parties.
Now we are from the party side, we are prepared full for the next MDC election. We are preparing ready at any time. No, I won't say VP is a big challenge. I mean, every party will fight. We will see. Let the time come, we will fight hard. Especially for our party, we will fight very hard. But as of today, we can't predict who and who because let us fast.
Meanwhile, the